back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the new Too Faced lipsticks. If you do want to see a review and swatches, please keep watching. Too Faced revamped their Natural Nudes collection. I purchased all 10 of the lipsticks because I really did love the packaging. This is what the outer packaging does look like. It says Natural Nudes, and then at the top you do have the shade name. When you open up the packaging, this is what the lipstick tube does look like. I love the flower detail. Let's jump right into the lip swatches. The first shade that I have swatched is called Send Nudes, and this is a peachy shade. I don't like how this does look on my skin complexion. I also don't like how it's not that pigmented. You can still see my lip peeking through. The next shade is called Skinny Dipping, and this is a beige shade. For me, this shade does kind of wash me out. It's not one of my favorite nudes. I do like how creamy both of these shades did apply so far, so let's jump into the next shade. The next shade is called Strip Search, and this is a pinky nude shade. This pinky nude shade I'm not a fan of either. I don't like how this shade looks on my skin complexion. Birthday Suit is a rosy beige shade. The shade in Birthday Suit is a little bit too pinky for my liking, so this shade I don't like. Pout About It is a terracotta pink shade. I love this shade and Pout About It. This shade complements my skin complexion so well. Nip Slip is a toasted caramel shade. I love this brownie nude shade. It is very pigmented. The next shade is called Girl Code, and this is a rosewood shade. This shade is stunning. I love this shade. The next shade is called Overexposed, and this is a smoky lavender shade. Another one of my favorite shades in this collection. I like how this is going so far. I'm starting to like these shades. Throwin Suede is a sable brown shade. I love this shade. It's pigmented and it does suit my skin complexion. The last shade is called Indecent Proposal, and it's this rich chocolate brown shade. I love this rich chocolate brown shade. This would be the perfect shade for fall. I'm going to remove this shade and I'm going to pop on the shade Pout About It. Overall, I love this collection. I like 7 out of the 10 shades in this collection. I love this packaging too. This feels very heavy, very luxurious. These retail for $22 each on Ulta, Sephora, and TooFaced.com. The 7 shades that I love out of this entire collection are Skinny Dipping, Pout About It, which I'm currently wearing, Girl Code, Overexposed, Nip Slip, Throwin Suede, and Indecent Proposal. I love all these 7 shades. They're very pigmented. They're creamy. I wouldn't say that they're hydrating because they weren't hydrating. The 3 shades that I did not like out of this collection were these 3 shades in Send Nudes, Strip Search, and Birthday Suit. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.